What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we are going to be running Slither on this smart contract. This smart contract is not a secured smart contract, it is actually vulnerable to attacks. Okay, so we're going to use Slither to find out what attack this smart contract is vulnerable to. Okay, so we're going to use Slither to find out what attack this smart contract is vulnerable to, and we're also going to edit the smart contract and we're going to make this smart contract secured. Okay, so if you want to learn how to install Slither on your Windows machine, okay, just subscribe to the channel. There's a video on that. First and foremost, we're going to use Slither to run this smart contract code and find out the vulnerability this smart contract is vulnerable to. Okay, so let's just type Slither. So let me increase this. Slither space dots. So guys, within seconds, Slither was able to run this code and find out vulnerability this smart contract is vulnerable to. And what is that vulnerability? As you can see guys, it's reentrancy. As you can see, it's showing red. This red means this is a high level vulnerability. As you can see, it's showing red, and it shows you the line of the code and what it does. So this is actually the line of code that is vulnerable. Message.sender.call. Okay, so it transfers the money without updating the state. So let me just show you guys what this means. So this is a simple Ethereum smart contract, right? So as you can see here, this smart contract does not follow the check, effects and interactions, right? So as you can see, it first transfers the money, it first transfers the balance of this smart contract before updating its state. Okay, so one way we can easily secure this smart contract. Okay, so we're first going to update the state before we transfer, before we make any interaction. So this is one way we can update it. So we can just save this, right? So let's just save it, and we're going to run it with Slither again and see if this code is now secured. Okay, so let's just clear this. Okay, so we're going to run Slither again. As you can see guys, it's gone. So this smart contract is now secured and is no longer vulnerable to reentrancy attack. Okay, so let's just remove this. So another way we can actually secure this contract is by using the Open Zeppelin reentrancy guard. Okay, so I just import the Open Zeppelin reentrancy guard smart contract. Then we can come here and add the modifier, which is non-reentrant, and we can make this smart contract vulnerable again by just sending money before updating the state. And this Open Zeppelin reentrancy guard is going to protect this smart contract from attacks and reentrancy attack. So if you are wondering where I got the code, so this is where I got the reentrancy code. So this is the Open Zeppelin GitHub repository. So you can just import their code and use this no reentrant modifier to secure your smart contract. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want me to help you audit your smart contract, or if you want me to help you in developing your smart contract, just contact me. Okay, write me and I'm going to respond. Okay, see you guys in my next video.